Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last class we had solved some question from exercise 4.2. Today also we will continue with this exercise. So here we have question number 3. By how much is 3 crore 87 lakh 89,327 less than 5 crore 83 lakh 21,789? This question you try to understand with the small example. If I write here by how much 3 is less than 5, so easily you can say by 2 it is less, by 2 it is less. Okay, how to find out? This is the small number, that's why you said easily. But what about more than 7-8 digit number? For that what you have to do? You have to subtract this number from here, from this number. Okay, that means when we subtract 3 from 5 we'll get that particular number. Same concept here we have to apply. Clear? Now let me show you how to solve. So this number we have to subtract from this number to find the number. Clear? So here you can see 5 crore 83 lakh 21,789, and from this number we have to subtract this number. Okay, now I have arranged according to column wise. Now we have to subtract. So here you can see, here we have 9 and here 7. So easily we can subtract because 9 is greater than 7. When we subtract 9 minus 7 we'll get 2. Now 8 minus 2 6, 7 minus 3 4. Now 1 is less than 9, so this 1 will take borrow from this number. So when we take borrow, this will become 11 and this will become 1. Now 11 minus 9 2. Now 1 is less than 8, so this will take borrow from here. So this will become 2 and this will become 11. Now 11 minus 8 3. Now here 2 is less than 7, so this will take borrow from this 8, so this will become 7 and this will become 12. Now 12 minus 7 5. Now 7 is less than 8, so this 7 will take borrow from this 5, so this will become 17 and this will become 4. Now 17 minus 8 9 and 4 minus 3 1. So this is the answer, this is the number. Okay, understood? Now question number 5. What should be added to this number to obtain this, or what should be added to this number to get this? This also try to understand with the small example. If I say what should be added to this 3 to get 5, what should be added to this 3 to get 5? So easily you can say we have to add here 2. Okay, we have to add here 2. But what about large number? For that what we have to do? We have to subtract this first number from the sum. Okay, from the sum or from the result. That means when we subtract 5 minus 3 we'll get 2. Okay, and 2 should be added here. Clear? Same way, same concept here we have to apply for this question. Okay, so this is the result here and this is the first number. So this number we have to subtract from this result. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, now 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 3 not possible because 1 is less than 3, so 1 will take borrow from this 2. When we take borrow, this will become 11 and this will become 1. 11 minus 3 8. Now 1 is less than 7, so this will take borrow from this 4, so this will become 11 and this will become 3. Now 11 minus 7 4. Now 3 is less than 6, so 3 will take borrow from this 8, so this will become 13 and this will become 7. Now 13 minus 6 7. 7 minus 5 2. 7 minus 4 3. 6 is less than 8, so this will take borrow from this 5, so this will become 4 and this will become 16. 16 minus 8 8. 4 minus 3 1. Clear? So this should be added, this should be added to this number to get 5 crore 67 lakh 84,230. 1 crore 83,027, sorry, 1 crore 83 lakh 27,481 should be added. Clear? This is the answer of this question. Now the sum of two number, this is question number 7. The sum of two number is this much. Okay, that means 93 crore 21 lakh 56,789. If one of the number is this much, then find other. So this is the total and first number is given. This is the first number and this is the sum of two number. Okay, so just now we have solved same question. So here also we have to apply same concept. Here we have to subtract this first number from the sum. Okay, so we have the sum 93 crore 21 lakh 56,789, and from this number we have to subtract first number, and the first number is 9 crore 98 lakh 34,567. When we subtract, we'll get 9 minus 7 2, 8 minus 6 2, 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 3 2. Now 1 is less than 8, so 1 will take borrow from this number, so this will become 1 and this will become 11. Now 11 minus 8 3. Now 1 is less than 9, so it will take borrow from here, so this will become 2 and this will become 11. Now 11 minus 9 2. Now 2 is less than 9, so this 2 will take borrow from here, so this will become 12 and this will become 8. Now 12 minus 9 3 and 8 as it is. Okay, so this is the second number. Clear? So other number is 83 crore 23 lakh 22,222. Okay, understood? Now question number 8. In an election 8 crore 32,044 8 crore 32 lakh 45,678 votes were polled. Of these 83,271 votes were invalid. So this is the total number of votes were polled, and 83,271 votes were invalid. If the winning candidate got 5 crore 67 lakh 84,132 votes, find the votes polled by defeated candidates. So we have to find out the total votes polled by defeated candidates. Okay, so here you can see the solution. Total vote polled is given here, then invalid votes, then winning candidate votes. So what we have to do for finding total votes polled by defeated candidates, so we have to add this invalid votes and winning candidate votes. Okay, then we have to subtract from total votes polled. Clear? So see, total votes after adding invalid votes and winning votes. So this is the invalid votes and this is the winning votes. Okay, so first we have to find out total votes after adding invalid votes and winning votes. So this is invalid votes and this is winning votes. Okay, now we have to add. Now when we add, we'll get 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 3 10. We will write 0 here and 1 carry for this column. Now 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Now 4 plus 3 7, 8 plus 8 16, 6 we will write here and 1 carry for this column. Now 7 plus 1 8, 6 as it is, 5 as it is. Okay, so this is the total votes after this is the total vote we got after adding invalid votes and winning votes. Clear? Now we have to subtract this total from the total votes polled. Okay, to find defeated candidates votes. Okay, now here you can see number of votes polled by defeated candidates equal to total votes minus the total votes after adding invalid votes and winning votes. Okay, so when we subtract 8 minus 3, we'll get 5, 7 minus 0, 7, 6 minus 4, 2, 5 is less than 7, so this 5 will take borrow from 4, so this will become 15 and this will become 3. Now 15 minus 7, 8, 3 is less than 6, so 3 will take borrow from this 2, so this will become 13 and this will be 1. Now 13 minus 6, 7. Now 1 is less than 8, so this will take borrow from here, so this will become 11 and this will be 2. Now 11 minus 8, 3. Now 2 is less than 6, so this will take borrow from here. So this will become 12 and this will become 7. Clear? Now 12 minus 6, 6. 7 minus 5, 2. So this is the number of votes polled by defeated candidates. Clear? 2,63,78,275 answer. Okay, so children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.